Hello and welcome to Prudent Media News. Let's have a look at the top stories. PI Ashish Shirodkar suspended with 4 other policemen. Crime branch to investigate into the police drugs mafia nexus. It's a Prudent Media impact. Ashish Shirodkar says he doesn't know why Atala is framing him. Says he is ready for inquiry. Massive rally of Goa's trade unions paralyzed traffic in the capital city. Workers protest against price rise and contract labour system. Condemn government policies. A bus full of passengers falls in Nala at Goa shipyard in Vasco. 21 passengers injured. And Pudari beat Herald by 25 runs, win 3rd state press tennis ball championship. And now the news in detail. It's a Prudent Media impact. Prudent had exposed police drug mafia nexus 2 days ago. The most controversial policeman in the case, Ashish Shirodkar, is suspended along with 4 other policemen following the expose. All these 5 police officials were working with the anti-narcotics cell. Crime branch will investigate into the case.
Senior police officials held a high-level meeting at Panji Police Headquarters on Friday morning. 5 policemen allegedly involved in the nexus were suspended following Prudent Media expose. The 5 police officials are Old Goa PI Ashish Shirodkar, Head Constable Hussain Sheikh, Constables Sandeep Parab, Sanjay Parab and Saish Pokle. All these 5 policemen were previously working with anti-narcotics cell.
Preliminary evidences or statements wherein it was said that some staff of the police department had association connected with the drug peddlers. The police have today placed under suspension 1 PI Sri Ashish Shirodkar, 1 Head Constable Sri Hussain Sheikh and 3 constables Sri Saish Pokle, Sanjay Parab and Sandeep Parab. Preliminary inquiry will be conducted into this by the crime branch.
Prudent had exclusively exposed the police drug mafia nexus on Wednesday. Prudent had aired 2 videos of an Israeli drug peddler, Atala, revealing close relationship of police officials with the drug lords in Goa. Atala had told how ANC top officials were helping drug peddlers in expanding their business in Goa. Atala narrated how ANC cops leave peddlers for bribes running in lakhs. He had also stated how police pushed seized drugs back into the market. Opposition leader Manohar Parrikar has said that an IPS officer should monitor the crime branch investigations into this case.
त्यामुळे म्हणूनच सांगता की इट हॅज टू बी एन इंडिपेंडंट इन्व्हेस्टिगेशन थ्रू क्राईम ब्रँच आणि क्राईम ब्रँचेन सुद्धा ते IPS ऑफिसर कडेन दिवंक जाय इन्व्हेस्टिगेशन.
मग क्राईम
थोडेफार सत्य येवपाची आशा दवरपाक येतली.
मग क्राईम ब्रांची कडेन सुद्धा जर इन्व्हेस्टिगेशन दिलें जाल्यार ते IPS लेवला वेल्या मनशा कडच्यान हें करपाचें.
ऑब्वियसली लोकल ऑफिसर कॅन बी प्रेशरायज्ड अँड लोकल ऑफिसर कॅन बी ऑल्सो इनडायरेक्टली नेपोटिझमूय जावंक शकता. अरे माझ्या बरोबर तोच मरतो ताका कित्याक सोड कारण हातून भितर जर पुलीस ऑफिसर इन्वॉल्ड आहा जाल्यार तरेतरेची इक्वेशनां येतली न्ही हांगा मातशें कितें जालें की दुसऱ्या दिसा कितें दारार हजर जाता अरे आसूं तो आमचोच बी असले तरेचे.
Principal correspondent of PTI Rupesh Samant, our principal correspondent Murari Shetye, reporter Devidas Kamli with video journalist Sunny Narvekar for Prudent Media.
Ashish Shirodkar has rubbished all the allegations. Ashish has said that he had arrested Atala in 2006 and he does not know why Atala is taking his name. Ashish also said that he is ready for an inquiry.
Why is that? Do you know Atala? He's made allegations against you.
I don't want to speak on camera, please.
He has made allegations against you. Do you know him? Have you met him ever before? Have you met him ever before?
I don't want to give any comment. Inquiry is going on. Let the superiors decide.
Do you have any inquiry details? I mean, have you been called for an inquiry?
No. They will conduct inquiry as and when my representatives is required, I'll be going there.
But have they called you? Have they said that Atala has made some allegations? He's saying that some drugs were supplied by you. What do you say to that allegation?
It is totally false. He is accused in one of my cases. That's it.
But did you arrest him?
Of course, I arrested him.
But what do you say? He's saying, why is he specifically naming you?
I don't know. Better ask him only.
But he's saying that he also paid 1 lakh rupees for you to let go of an associate.
I don't know that. I have not seen that clip.
You must have seen. Have you got any word from your superiors also? They are saying that an inquiry is on. Have they contacted you?
Oh, not yet.
Bureau Report, Prudent Media.
Massive rally on trade unions paralyzed the traffic in the capital city on Friday. Workers have asked industries to close down if they cannot pay the labours properly. They have demanded a hike in salaries as the prices of essential commodities are on rise. Unions also blamed government for low wages.
महागाई बंद जावपाक जाय पण ताच्या पयले खाना जेवणाच्यो वस्तू स्वस्त धान्य लोकांक मेळपाक जाय. आयज पब्लिक डिस्ट्रीब्युशन सिस्टम PDS म्हणटात रेशन शॉपां तातूंतल्यान स्वस्त आनी जाय तितले धान्य खाना जेवणाच्यो वस्तूच्यो लोकांक मेळपाक जाय आणि तो आयच्या आमच्या धरणाचो आमच्या जेल बरो सत्याग्रहाचो मूळ मुद्दो जावन आसा.
A massive joint satyagraha hit the capital city on Friday. Major trade unions in Goa comprising of ITEC and others were a part in this jail bharo. Hundreds of labourers gathered near the bus stand. Agitators had plans to march to assembly, however they were stopped by police ahead of Mandavi Breach. This was to support the call given to central trade unions to observe nationwide satyagraha to oppose the anti-labour and anti-people policies of the government at the centre and states. Workers have asked the industries to close down if they cannot pay the labourers.
ही मोकारी झाल्या सरकाराची लेबर डिपार्टमेंटाची मोकारी झाल्या त्या प्लेइंग विथ द वर्किंग क्लास इन गोवा. फॉर लेबर कमिशनर, फॉर लेबर मिनिस्टर आणि इन्क्लुडिंग द चीफ मिनिस्टर. अरे 150 रुपये वाढले जाल्यार हे मरतले. आम्ही या प्लॅटफॉर्मावर सांगपाक शकतात सांगपाक सोदतात तुमकां जर 275 रुपये दिणे शक्य ना तर तमाम जांचे शक्य ना त्यांनी इंडस्ट्री बंद करून चले जाओ फ्रॉम गोवा.
ITEC Secretary Raju Mangeshkar blamed government for low wages. He demanded a hike in minimum wages to contract labourers.
And this bloody government is talking of 150 minimum wage. महागाई दिसांनी वाढत असा. सगळ्यात मोठा सिटीजन प्रेसिडेंट ऑफ इंडिया त्याचा पगार लाखांनी रुपये असा फॉर सिटीजन. गोयचे जे आमदार असतात त्यांना 50-60,000 रुपये महिना पगार जाय. 5 वर्षांनी रिटायर होऊन पेन्शनर जातात आणि कामगाराचा पगार 103 रुपया. Government is now becoming the biggest contractor.
A reporter from Panji, Devidas Kamli, with video journalist Anil Sanadi for Prudent Media.
Time for a short break. Stay tuned for more news.